Easier information sharing and collaboration. This is a core tenet of Agile CMS is one, the information sharing on the back end, collaboration between people, users, creators, designers, that being really key to a SaaS benefit. And then lower overall costs. You know, the benefit here is you can better respond to the market, you can get faster, and you can do all of those things at a lower cost. So it's really the best of both worlds when you're looking at a SaaS deployment. And this is one of the benefits of being API based or API first, is that you can bring in, you know, whatever flavor of smart DX you want. Say you want to help understand your content better at scale. Well, we know that for high volume, low complexity tasks like understanding content or surfacing metadata, categorizing content, one bot can do the work of 3 to 4 full-time employees. Again, this idea of scale and efficiency really, really important. And this means that those 3 to 4 full-time employees can focus on creating content or creating experiences, those high complexity, low volume tasks, rather than those rote ones that are, you know, can quickly be pushed off to AI or smart DX. This is, again, just really aligns with that ability to speed time to market, to drive those efficiencies, all of those things that you get. And Smart DX really aligns very, very well with that mission.
The Forrester Way for Agile Content Management Systems Q1 2021. This was the first time Contentstack was included in the wave, and we're very proud that we were named as a strong performer. The CMS with the highest score in channel support, that criterion among all other vendors. And Nick spoke to the importance of the channel support to enable your omni-channel customer experience before. So really, if you're looking to make an investment, have a look and test those capabilities thoroughly. Contentstack also received the highest scores in the criteria of experience management, personalization, commenting and annotations, metadata taxonomy, decoupled delivery, and delivery model. So Contentstack is all the way up here. Look to a vendor that will support your technical users with headless first tooling and the right APIs, but not at the expense of your business users or practitioners. This was your recommendation for enterprise organizations that are looking to replace their CMS. Why, Nick, did you feel the need to explicitly call out, but not at the expense of business users and practitioners?
Yeah, great question. And the reason is because if you sort of look at the past 2 perhaps 3 decades of the CMS space, you've seen this pendulum swing back and forth between developers and practitioners. And most recently, with more of the headless first vendors coming into the fray, we've seen a little less emphasis on the practitioners, and the practitioners saying, where'd my tools go? How do I create sites, pages, experiences, those sorts of things? And with Agile CMS, one of the things that we wanted to make sure we tried to do, and I think we succeeded at this, was focusing on capabilities that embrace both sides of the aisle, both sides. So both those developers and those practitioners. And that's the idea here around Agile CMS, is that it's a tool for all users, all channels, not just one for one segment of the business or one specific channel, but it's something that embraces all users, all channels. So that was something very, very important for us to call out. We know that digital experience platforms, or the digital experience stack, depending on which way you want to look at it, is more than just content. Content is one very important component of it, and we think that content is the soul of digital experience. But there are other things at play here, like data, like analytics, like transactions or commerce, like automation and AI, like services. That all compose, different pieces of that digital experience stack. Content is one piece of digital experience, and it has to work in tandem with all of those others. It has to work in tandem with data and automation and AI and transactions and all of those other pieces that fuel a digital experience.
Again, where the APIs are really critical for making that work.